Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join tournaments on Lichess. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, the first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you're logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial is we would like to join the tournament. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply go to this top options, hover play, and then you can join some arena tournaments, some Swiss tournaments, choose whatever suits you. So as an example, arena tournaments I would like to join. And here, as you can see, we will have a lot of tournaments that starts with the time that you want and at that time. So just to choose whatever arena you would like. Let's say as an example, this one. Simply click on its name and you'll be able to join it. But some tournaments have some requirements. As you can see, this tournament, the requirements of it is you'll have to play like more than 20 bullets rated games. For me, I didn't do that yet, so I cannot join at the moment. So you can go back and go and check for another tournament if you want. Of course, every tournament could have its own requirements, so be careful about that. Of course, if you didn't find any tournaments you like, you can even go and create your own tournament. So this will be actually for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.